Imagine waking up every morning to warm tropical air, the scent of freshly brewed teh tarik drifting from a nearby cafe, and the comforting knowledge that your monthly expenses are a fraction of what they used to be back home, and your quality of life is better. Sounds like a dream, right? For thousands of American retirees in 2026, this is not a fantasy. This is Tuesday. Every single week, more and more retirees from the United States are packing their bags, leaving behind sky-high healthcare bills, brutal winters, and the suffocating cost of living, and they are landing in Malaysia with wide eyes and even wider smiles. Many of them say the same thing when they arrive: they had no idea. No idea that a country this beautiful, this affordable, this modern, and this welcoming even existed. And once they settle in, they go completely speechless. Some people retire and sit in a rocking chair waiting for time to pass. The Americans who move to Malaysia are too busy eating incredible food, exploring beaches, and saving money to even find a rocking chair. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're already part of this amazing family, welcome back. I truly appreciate your love and support. I'm really happy you're here because today's video is going to be super fun, exciting, and full of interesting things, so make sure you stay with me till the end. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into today's topic. The cost of living will absolutely blow your mind. Let's start with the number that stops every American retiree dead in their tracks the moment they do the math. In 2026, a comfortable retirement lifestyle in cities like Penang, Kuala Lumpur, or Ipoh costs between $1,500 and $2,500 per month, including rent, food, transportation, entertainment, and healthcare. Compare that to the average American retiree spending $4,000 to $6,000 monthly in mid-tier US cities, and the jaw drops. A spacious, modern two-bedroom apartment in Penang's Georgetown, a UNESCO World Heritage City, rents for as little as $600 to $900 per month. That same budget in Miami or Los Angeles would barely cover a studio the size of a closet. Grocery shopping at a local wet market costs almost nothing. A full plate of nasi lemak or char kway teow at a hawker stall runs about $1 to $2. A proper sit-down restaurant dinner for two, with drinks, rarely exceeds $20. Americans who arrive here don't just save money, they feel rich for the first time in their retirement years. Healthcare that is world-class without the world-class price tag. If there is one single issue that keeps aging Americans up at night, it is healthcare. Medical debt is the leading cause of bankruptcy among seniors in the United States, and the fear of a serious illness wiping out decades of savings is very real. Malaysia quietly eliminates that fear entirely. Malaysian private hospitals, many of which are internationally accredited, offer extraordinary medical care at prices that seem almost unbelievable to arriving Americans. A specialist consultation costs around $30 to $50. A full health screening panel runs about $100 to $150. Complex surgeries that would cost tens of thousands of dollars in the US are performed here for a fraction of that price, with no compromise in quality. Hospitals like Gleneagles, Pantai, and Prince Court in Kuala Lumpur attract medical tourists from across the globe precisely because of this combination of excellence and affordability. Retirees who once rationed their medications and skipped annual checkups because of cost now visit their doctors regularly, and actually look forward to it. The Malaysia My Second Home, MM2H, program, a golden door. The Malaysian government has not simply tolerated foreign retirees, it has actively rolled out the welcome mat. The Malaysia My Second Home, MM2H, program, revamped and refined going into 2026, allows foreigners over 35 to obtain a renewable long-stay visa that grants the right to live in Malaysia for up to 10 years. Applicants must show proof of financial stability, including a fixed deposit in a Malaysian bank and a monthly income threshold, but the requirements remain accessible for most American retirees with modest pension or Social Security income. What makes the MM2H program especially attractive is what comes with it: the right to bring a spouse and dependents, the ability to purchase property above a certain threshold, and access to a country that genuinely wants you there. The process, once notorious for being cumbersome, has been significantly streamlined. Retirement agents and relocation specialists now operate specifically to help Americans navigate every step, from document preparation to finding the perfect neighborhood. A culture that wraps around you like a warm embrace. Malaysia is one of Southeast Asia's most culturally rich and harmonious nations, a melting pot of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous traditions that coexist in a way that is genuinely beautiful to witness. For American retirees, one of the most unexpected surprises is how easy it is to feel at home here. English is widely spoken. Road signs are in English. Government services, hospitals, shopping malls, and restaurants all operate comfortably in English. Unlike many retirement destinations abroad, there is no painful language barrier forcing retirees into isolation. Malaysians are famously warm, curious, and hospitable toward foreigners, the kind of neighborly warmth that many retirees say they haven't felt since childhood in small-town America. The country also offers an extraordinary diversity of experiences within a compact geography. In a single week, safety, stability, and the sweet sense of peace. Malaysia is consistently rated one of the safest countries in Southeast Asia. Street crime is relatively low, political stability is intact, and the country has a long track record of being welcoming and peaceful toward expatriates. American retirees who once lived with anxiety about neighborhood safety, random violence, or social unrest often describe Malaysia as feeling calm in a way that is almost therapeutic. The pace of life here is also slower and more intentional, something that retirees, who have spent decades in the breakneck speed of American work culture, find deeply restorative. There is a concept in Malaysian daily life of enjoying the moment, sharing a long meal with friends, and not rushing everything. That rhythm, for many retirees, is exactly what they were searching for without even knowing it. The look on an American retiree's face when they first arrive in Malaysia, when they check into a gorgeous apartment that costs less than their old car insurance payment, eat a flavorful meal for $2, and realize that the best years of their life might actually still be ahead of them, that look is something extraordinary. It is not just surprise. It is relief. It is joy. It is the quiet, overwhelming feeling of discovering that the retirement they always dreamed of but thought they could never afford is, in fact, completely real and completely within reach. Malaysia in 2026 is not a secret anymore, but it still feels like one for the lucky retirees who land here and realize what they have found. The affordable cost of living, world-class healthcare, a welcoming and English-friendly culture,